prefers working out in the afternoon, so the thought of getting up and going to a yoga class at 7:30 a.m. and then going to the gym is kind of torturous. But if you're going to pay for the yoga membership, you got to get your use out of it. And I understand that like the employees most likely just want to get their day done. So the yoga studio I'm going to only has 3 classes on Saturday and Sunday. The morning class at 6:30 is one that I would really prefer to go to. It's like the yoga sculpt, so it's like typical yoga moves with a little bit of weight added in. But I didn't want to get up at 6:30, so I went to the 7:30 one, which is like your typical flow, which I'm no yogi. Basically, it's like the poses with a little bit of like plank bridges, all that action. It's a heated, so it was like 83. I mean, and that's good for me too, because my stretching abilities are about 0. So they do a lot of poses where you're supposed to like reach back and be able to grab your leg and put it above your head, or like reach down to touch your toes. And I can't even get anywhere close on those. That's definitely my area of improvement, is just like overall flexibility. And that's why I joined, because I realized my stretching abilities are about a 0. And then the 8:30 class, which would be like the perfect time period because I'm usually awake at about like 7 on Saturdays, is like the advanced one where they're doing things like elephant pose, where like you use your arms to support your body and then your legs are like straight out and your arms are like holding everything up. And I can't even do that. Nope, not even trying. I probably will be able to do that in a year. But yes, yoga's done. I just finished working out here at the gym. I'm doing a 5K with a friend in probably 3 weeks, so I've been trying to do a little bit more cardio than I normally would, I guess you could say. And eventually I will like practice 5Ks. Like, it's a fun 5K, but she's one of those people that like runs like 5 miles in the morning every day. I don't want to be the dead weight that she's trying to drag behind because she wants to be speedy and I'm like super out of shape. And I'm not. I'm just not gonna be running full speed for 3 miles. So let's go home, shower, make something to eat really quick because I'm starving. I'm the kind of person that can't work out in the morning on a full stomach, so I'm really hungry, and then we'll get this day started in our shopping. Woo! So basically the plan is today I'm gonna make something to eat, as I said, then we're gonna go to Dunkin' because, you know, butter pecan is life. We'll do somewhat our normal. We'll do TJ Maxx. We're gonna go to Home Goods. Either at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I'm hoping to find yoga blocks, because now that I think this was my 3rd yoga class, I'm really realizing the things that I'm not good at, and I would like to practice that. So if I could find yoga blocks at TJ Maxx or Home Goods, I would buy them. I've seen them there before, but I never knew what the use was for them. Now I know. And then at Home Goods, I also could use a pickle strainer. I've been eating a lot more pickles lately since I made my tuna salad recipe, and my parents have one where you just go up and then the pickles stay and the juice stays down. Can you hear Cheyenne crying? She wants to go on the patio. Oh, what a baby. Anyways, so yes, I'm hoping for yoga blocks and a pickle strainer. And then we're going to go to Ross. I like their athletic clothes. I've said that before. Most of the rest of the store is kind of a mess. They have good shoes, good athletic clothes, and that's all I look at. And then we'll go to Target. I need ketchup and bananas. Nothing too exciting. We'll check out the back to school section because apparently their back to school section is already stocked. I haven't been in almost a month, I think. I just haven't had anything that I really needed, and now that I'm in my caribou phase of life, I haven't gone there just for impulse Starbucks. Also, I've been to 3 different Bath & Body Works, and I couldn't find any of these on the semi-annual sale. I think they're just totally out, and they were out before semi-annual sale, which is just so sad because they're so easy and wonderful. But we'll be fine. Then after Target, we're going to the mall. I bought some letter patches at Hobby Lobby, and I bought an R instead of an F. I don't know what I was thinking because I didn't even need R's. So if I was having a spelling breakdown or what, but we have to do a return. So then we'll go to Bath & Body Works anyways and just check out the selection and see if they have anything new that's popped up that's now 75% off. Speaking of Bath & Body Works, I bought this as my free item a couple weeks ago. I think it was like the monthly coupons, and I would love to get the full size of this because I am surprised at how much I like it. Scent of the day, Firecracker Pop. I mean, it literally just smells like a fruity summer day. It's so nice, so refreshing. After the mall, we're going to Dollar General. I'm also in my flavored water age of life, and I've been drinking a lot of flavored waters, and Dollar General has a couple of flavor packets according to the Instagram, Facebook worlds that I haven't stumbled upon yet, and I'd like to try them in some of my little water recipes. And then after that, we're going to Chipotle. I was editing a video yesterday or the day before, and I was eating Chipotle in that vlog, and I was like, oh, Chipotle sounds really good. So I think I'm gonna go get some Chipotle. Then we'll go home to the parents' house. I gotta feed the cat, you know, that's my job in life. And then we'll come back here and hang out, add some videos, let Cheyenne go on the patio, that sort of thing. I'm using this Capsiva. I got it in a Barbella box a couple months ago. It smells really bad, but it's supposed to be a pain relieving gel. And at first I was like, oh, this is ridiculous. Like, how can that work? It's a topical thing. But no, like, it's a homeopathic remedy, and it actually really works. Who knew that yoga would work your arms more than like weights at the gym? And I get that it's like different muscle groups, but yeah, trying to hold up all 150 pounds of myself has proven to be quite the workout on these little arms. And for those of you that like outfit of the days, this is just a little top from Aeropostale, and then I got these shorts on there. Reebok from Walmart, and this is a color from last year, but you can get the same style just in different colors. So if you're interested, I'll link that down below. So we're gonna have a little scrambled egg, pretty much my go-to whenever I don't want to be wasting my time making something extravagant. And then also we're gonna be drinking the Kick Batter, the Premier flavor. Get it? Premier protein. Cheyenne, hey, cool it. I'm not giving you any nummies. And we're not going outside till I get back. So just stop. It's not happening. Notice how she's standing by the treat dish. And now she's ignoring me. Rude. Are you a sriracha person or a ketchup? Because sriracha all the way. Ordered my medium butter pecan and some hash browns. Let's hope they're crispy, 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 crispy. Crispy, crispy, crispy. If you manifest it, it must happen, right? Be a 7 out of 10 on the crispy scale. I could tell when they gave me my coffee right away, though, that it wasn't going to be the best, because it's usually a little bit lighter than this, not so dark, but oh well. So I picked up a little fridge drawer, and then I like passion fruit in boba tea, so I'm assuming I will like it in a plain old water recipe. So I picked up that one, the $6.99. The Torani ones aren't sugar-free. The Jordan Skinny Syrups are, but that's what like TikTok's crazy about, so it's hard to find those. So I don't really care about the sugar content. So I found a single yoga block. It's a good price. I was hoping for 2 because I have used 2 in classes before, but I don't know. I've seen them here frequently. Does that mean I'm going to get one now and then I'm going to get another and it won't be the same height? Possibly. So I had a $10 rewards too. So 2 bottles of syrup, the fridge container, and the block was $25 after my reward. Pretty good. So now we're headed to Home Goods. See if they have it. I feel like it's kind of an obscure item. I even looked on Amazon, and a lot of them come in 2-packs, and I don't need 2. I only need 1. No luck, but that's kind of what I expected. But you know what they do always have is such a nice selection of cat scratching posts, cat beds, cat strollers, and let me tell you, one of these days we're getting a house and Cheyenne is going to be one spoiled thing. But little does she know she's getting friends. Because our apartment only allows 1 pet and we want like 3. We're like cat people. Will we have any good luck today? Life is unfair in the fat feet land. So cute. I prefer an 11. I do love these colors. We'll see if it fits. It looks a little skinny for my feet. So the shoes were an absolute no, but like this is cute. It's a large, it's a croc, which I prefer if I'm wearing it to Walmart. So I like that color. I think I'm gonna get it from Walmart. And then picked up this one. I don't have any workout tanks in that light blue color, and I have a pair of shorts that'll match really well. I honestly can't think of a single thing that I need for my classroom besides purple glue sticks, which hopefully the students bring those. So I'm just browsing. I've seen some of the pictures posted, and yeah, nothing that's in the dollar spot that I've seen on Instagram is anything that I need. But we'll look. I wonder what the color of the season is. Nothing too exciting. I mean, I think if you go like a kindergarten classroom and you wanted, like, that'd be cute if you didn't have a rug, but yeah, no need for that myself. Okay, I did lie. I'm gonna get these for social skills. These are very similar to the emotions that are on Everyday Speech, which is our social skills curriculum. So I'm gonna get these for like we do bingo activities and we can match the emotions and stuff like that. Cute. So I just did my return, and then it kind of came to me that Hobby Lobby has stuff like that too. So maybe I'll find also, yes, they have Christmas out already. So I grabbed the letter I needed, and then how cute are those? Thank you.
Thank you.
This location has a burrito lane, and I always come to this one and do an Apple Pay, obviously, because you have to order ahead, but it's so convenient to just pull up and bam, there's your order. It's weird being in a store and not being used to the layout, but here we are. So, like these, I've never tried these before. I've heard fantastic things about these. This is fantastic with caramel. Let's see. So we got cherry, we've got blueberry, pink lemonade. So when it comes to Chipotle, I'm pretty much a creature of habit. I get chips, normal salsa, cheapers that give me a lot of napkins, and then I get the steak bowl with white rice, the green pepper, so fajitas basically, which why not just call them peppers, black beans, steak, mild tomato, sour cream, cheese, and lettuce, and then the thing of beauty. I always eat half, and then I have the other half for dinner, because this is a lot of food, and I could not eat this in one serving. And I am someone with a big appetite, but I can't eat this in one serving. Okay, here we have my little water station slash cotton candy storage for Children's Miracle Network. We're fundraising at Walmart all month long, and we were selling cotton candy yesterday. $3 for a bag of cotton candy, and I was all over that. And just have a little bit left, maybe a little dessert for today. But anywho, we're going to make like a passion fruit combo. I'm in a Facebook group and I got this picture from there, so we're going to try that out, and that's one of the main reasons why we went to Dollar General. I wanted to pick up those new packets to make this drink in particular because it looks pretty good. So we're going to do one of the little drink packets, and then we're going to do 2 tablespoons of the hibiscus passion fruit. Again, this is probably TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or Home Goods. Marshalls it is, $4 beautiful. Let's do it. Cup is TJ Maxx Hydro Peak. And TJ Maxx and Home Goods have this brand of cup, and I've been tempted to buy other patterns, but I have a lot of cups. I don't need more. But this one in particular, I saw it and had to have it. But Dan would appreciate it if I keep my cup collection under control. So I always do the packet first. I'll do the whole thing, and then I fill all the way with water as much as my pitcher has. It's a Brita. And usually I can get about the whole thing. I stop at that line, and then I add my liquid, and then I stir. Delicious. Yep, that's really good. I honestly feel like I never need another Starbucks refresher drink ever again, because this is pretty much the same thing. And you can get so many recipes that are so close. Are you alive over there? Maybe? I finished on my snack. Time to go in, Cheyenne. Video's edited too. Yay me. Morning. Happy Sunday. Wearing up my shirt from yesterday, and I found one of my skirts that it matches absolutely perfectly. Which is funny, when I bought this, I was worried that I wouldn't be able to find anything to match it, but then I was shockingly surprised how many things I own that just go with those strange random neon colors. So not quite sure what we're up to today besides working the racks, but that won't take me long. Hello, hello. It's going. Welcome to Walmart. Looking beautiful. I now, like, every day I come in, I make sure it looks good still and I don't have to fix it, because it took me absolutely forever to get it to look nice. Well, something's on the floor. I can fix that. Oh, I haven't been here since Friday. When I was here on Friday, they didn't have all the apparel processed, so I didn't get to finish all the Friday freight. So I'll have some of Friday freight and some of Saturday freight hanging I have to do. And when I'm here every single day, it only takes me like an hour to do all the hanging. So it might be like 3 hours today, because usually Friday, Saturdays are pretty heavy hanging apparel days. But that's okay. So we'll do that, and we'll see what we get into today. Happy Sunday. Okay, so I got the Grimace shake to try out. I'm hoping that it's better than the strawberry shortcake one. I didn't really enjoy that one. This one's like full-on shake, and there's no chunks that I'm trying to get through the straw. Oh yeah, that's good. It's basically birthday cake flavored with a little bit of blueberry. And of course a whole lot of artificial flavoring and color. Otherwise I just got my large Coke and then fries and a McChicken. I add pickles to my McChicken. Do you guys? How perfect is that rainbow? That's like, it's like the kind of things you see in a nature photographer's magazine. Little Alani New before the gym.